For the next part now, the table's changed up just a wee bit. So you've got this table then again. All your information really was blank. We had Judge 1 ranks, Judge 2 ranks. We had D for difference, the difference between the two ranks, and then D squared. And I've mentioned in your notes the only reason why we put on a D squared there is to remove a negative number that you might get whenever you're finding your differences. So I've gone ahead and I've just put on my ranked values from Judge A or Judge 1 and Judge 2 into that table. I've gotten that pink line there just by subtracting the differences with the ranks. So take away your rank position to give you your D, and then square all them values then. Notice there that we had -2. If you square -2, you're back to being positive again, so it's going to be 4. I've a wee note now at the end of each of these rows as well. To get that difference, you're just subtracting your 2 ranks, and then to get the green one, then you're just going to square your difference. At the very end of that, then you want to calculate the total for your D squared. That total value then for D squared, you're plugging that value, in this case it's 25.5, you're plugging that value in here in your formula. That's the total of your differences squared. I said already in the last wee video that n is worth 8 because I've got 8 rams in this question. So I'm replacing my total of my differences squared with my 25.5, replacing the letter n with 8, plug it all under your formula. Make sure that you're only using the fraction on that part of your formula. It's 1, take away the fraction. You'll end up then with maybe a fraction as your answer, press switch to decimal, and then write it down then, correct the 2 decimal places. And then you're going to use that then for your conclusion. So because I've gotten 0.70, I'm saying, and again this is in the notes, it's a very, well not very strong, but it's a strong positive correlation. So it's enough to suggest that these two judges will agree on the winner. Now we already seen in the first table that they did agree in first place. But generally speaking, if they were going to pick first, second and third, the 0.7 suggests that the judges are in a strong agreement to be able to pick the first, second and third fairly. Hope that helps. Try out the task in this question and send that on.